Before we get started, I need to put a word in your mind so it's at the foremost front of your thoughts as we go through this Warrior Plus video. Value. The regard that something is held to deserve, the importance, worth, or usefulness of something. Worth. Usefulness. Then we'll jump into Warrior Plus, look at the dashboard, take a look at some of the top 10 products of the day, and then bring it back to that word value. How can we provide value to the audience that we're going to build to promote products on Warrior Plus, either as an affiliate or a vendor? Talk a little bit about what's the difference between being an affiliate and a vendor, and then bring all these strategies and thoughts together. And of course, before we go any further, there's a link in the description for a free training. It's a simple 12-step process of how to get started as an affiliate marketer and build a real online business. Check that out, and let's get back to that word value. How can you bring value to the products that you're going to be an affiliate for on Warrior Plus? But before we do that, what products are you going to promote on Warrior Plus? And more specifically, what category are you going to bring value to on Warrior Plus? And that's the thing about Warrior Plus. It is a marketplace with tons of different categories. You can simply browse the marketplace, and here you can see marketing, education, advertising, dropshipping, social media, different platforms that you can promote products for: Amazon, eBay, Twitter, YouTube, different industries, investing, local business, real estate, different types of software. For example, WordPress software. Or maybe you provide services such as copywriting or writing content. And that content could be in the form of creating videos for people, doing voiceovers, writing blog posts, writing emails. Content is something that everyone needs in many different forms. So think about that for a second when you're talking about bringing value. Because the real concept here of promoting and making money on Warrior Plus is providing value. One of the strategies that you see that is popular on Warrior Plus, specifically on those products that you see on the top 10, is something called launch jacking. That's when there's a launch, meaning this product is going to be for sale for a short window, maybe 5 to 7 days. It's going to be on sale, and people like you and like me that are affiliates for these products or other products and are building an audience and of course providing value to that audience about that product, and more specifically usually the strategy of that product, and if it is a sound strategy or not a sound strategy, and then is the product worth the money, and also is the vendor reliable, meaning if the product doesn't work or I have a problem with the strategy and I just have questions, can I reach out to that vendor and get support? Or is that vendor just in the business of making money, meaning once the launch is over or even during the launch they don't care. Once I have hit the pay button, they got their money and they move on. Again, this comes back to the word value. The value that you bring as an affiliate, and then the trust and the value that they bring as the vendor that you're going to support as an affiliate. Again, we're talking about Warrior Plus here. Warrior Plus is just the marketplace. The marketplace is just a place where the product is for sale, and it is a place to recruit affiliates just like you and me. We go there, and the simplicity of Warrior Plus allows us, either as a vendor or as an affiliate or as both, to recruit affiliates and to be an affiliate and make sure that we get our money from that vendor. And back on Warrior Plus, as an affiliate, you can always go into your dashboard. And then once you get into your dashboard, you can see your affiliate daily stats, and you can track the sales and your earnings, as well as your hop and your conversions. And another great thing about the Warrior Plus marketplace is they have what's called the Warrior Plus wallet. Here you can see your funds that are available, your earnings, your purchases, and as well, it's very simple to hit the withdraw button and then withdraw funds either to Stripe or to a bank account. Which again brings me back to the word value and the value of using Warrior Plus as a marketplace. Again, both as a vendor and an affiliate. Typically, everyone starts out as an affiliate, but you don't have to. You can create your own product and post it on Warrior Plus, but you need to have something of value to provide the marketplace. Meaning, if the product is not valuable, or if you don't have something else of value, like you can't offer a contest, a lot of times, and the reality of it is a lot of times a contest will bring additional value to the affiliates, so a vendor can use that leverage of having a big contest to bring affiliates on board to promote the product, even if the product really doesn't provide value to the actual end user or the customer that purchased it. Again, we're talking about using Warrior Plus so we can bring value into our lives and build a real business as an affiliate marketer. And the number one way you do that is to build an audience and bring value to their lives and provide real value to their lives by showing them First, does the product work? How to use the product? And if the product does work and maybe there's just a missing component, what you do is you provide a bonus in the form of showing them how the product works and how to actually implement the strategy so they can really get real results from the product. Again, value. They can get value from the product and they get value from purchasing the product through you. That's what a bonus is, and that's another strategy on top of the strategy of launch jacking that you will see a lot around these types of products on Warrior Plus. But don't forget, here on Warrior Plus, you can come here to the marketplace and go under categories, and you can really bring value to your audience by knowing and understand, for example, how Amazon works and how to sell on Amazon, how Kindle works, how to use Kindle, how YouTube works, how to actually bring value to your audience that wants to learn more about YouTube. And then by going and taking a look at some of these products that you might want to be an affiliate for, avoiding the products and the vendors that don't bring real value, because it's just truly a fact that some of these don't bring real value to the marketplace and they don't do well and others do. And this is part of the business of using Warrior Plus, and the part and the piece where you bring real value to your audience is you actually go in, you either get review access or you purchase the product yourself, you test the product, you review the product. If the product does bring value, then you just straight away tell your audience, hey, get this product that's going to help you. If it doesn't, be straight, be honest, and tell them, look, avoid this product, skip it. It doesn't bring any real value. Try this product instead. Or do a review and say, this product does exactly what you need to do. It's just missing one component. I'm going to offer you a bonus by giving you a 30-minute call where we talk about exactly how to implement this strategy and utilize this product. Or I'm going to do a set of videos or a PDF to show you step by step exactly how I used this product when I tested it and the results that I got, and exactly how you can do the same thing. This is real value that you can actually provide your audience, and you can find these products and the vendors that make these types of products on Warrior Plus. You just have to do a little digging and find out where the real gold is and where that value lives inside of Warrior Plus. Because the tools on the Warrior Plus site that actually make up the marketplace, meaning the tools as a vendor, as an affiliate, and the Warrior Plus wallet that I showed you, are really good tools, and they do bring a lot of value to you both as a vendor and an affiliate. If you'd like to know more about step-by-step how to use Warrior Plus or how to get started with Warrior Plus as an affiliate, go ahead and leave me a comment and tell me exactly what you would like to know, and I can go ahead and I can make a video for you about that. But for now, go ahead, check out the video you see on the screen right now to learn more about using Warrior Plus, how to do it, what I consider to be the right way. Click that video. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.